Hello, masters. Parallax effect. It is a most popular effect in web design. It will take our website to another level. Today, we are going to create this amazing parallax effect using Elementor. Let's move to the video. For parallax effect, we need to create a section as a multiple layers and give different moving speeds for each. Before enter to the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you really like this video, give a like, and tell your thoughts to make upcoming videos in comment section. And we reached 600 plus subscribers, guys. Thanks a lot for your supports. Let's get started. First, we create a main container with full width and height. And remove all extra spaces. For our reference, I renamed the layer name to main. Now we need to create our layers inside it. This is our layer 1. Make it full height. Remove paddings. Now add the background image. Make it center to center and display size cover. Next, we create layer 2 for clouds. Now choose the cloud image. Do the same thing. Now we need to take the layer 2 to in front of layer 1. For that, set the margin top minus 100 viewport heights by change it to custom value. See, now we got the cloud layer and top of background layer. We need to do the same step to combine all layers. So, next, create the next layer. Oh, I forgot to remove the paddings for layer 2. Let's add the title in the third layer. Add some styles to our title. Now let's move this layer to top. Next, add mounting layers. Let's add 2 mountain layers, inside fourth layer. One is for left and another is for right side. Change the direction to rows, remove paddings, and change the justify content to space between to make both containers place left and right, and remove gaps. Now add the left and right mountains. Choose bottom left. And for this, choose bottom right. Remove all paddings. Now move this to top. Next, add our final layer. Now all layers are combined perfectly. Next, we need to add the entrance animation effect to each layers. For that, go to Advanced and Motion Effect section. You can choose whatever animation you liked. I choose Fade In for this. Add animation delay. Increase 100 milliseconds for each layers. By using animation delay, we can get each layers loading separately when page load. I planned mountains need to appear one by one before title. So I give animation delay to left mountain 200 and right mountain 300. And now I'll give 400 milliseconds to title container. By that it will appear after the mountains. And finally set this one to 500. Now create the content section. Content section completed. Let's add some overlay to merge this for looking better. Go to last layer and add gradient background overlay. Put the same green for primary color and transparent for secondary color. Decrease the location value and put opacity to 1 and angle 0. Let's increase it a little bit. Our 80% work done. The last step is scrolling animation. For that, go to Motion Effects and turn on Scrolling Effects. I am adding vertical scrolling effect to clouds. And I am going to make the title position fix on top inside the container. For that, go to same motion effect, make stick top, and turn on stay in column. To make the title back, we need to set the Z index to 0. Perfect. Now add the scrolling effects to mountains. Now add some scrolling effect to content also. Now we got our final output. Thank you for watching, guys. Put your thoughts about this video in the comment section.